Hello everyone, welcome back to my nerdy corner. I'm Kirkate and today I have another package finally from Gearbest. It's been a while because I've been waiting for this package for ages, and luckily Gearbest has been very helpful and handy when it comes to emailing me back with where is this package, I want to review it, where is it, and I thought I pretty much gave up and they said due to the Chinese New Year and the Easter holiday might affect it during customs or something like that, but finally it arrived. And today, if you saw the thumbnail or the title of this video, you'd probably know what I'm talking about. I'll be unboxing and reviewing this smartwatch, but I'm not sure what's it called. There's a barcode here, so, like if it focus, I'll show you later, but I'll probably leave the name at the bottom as well of the video, but it just says smartwatch. So overall, I've been using this for the last few days, and to be honest, I'm very happy, and I can happily say this is a good product. And I'll leave a link below if you're interested in buying one or watching more, look at my photos or watch more videos of other customers. This is I'll give a 5-star product, so I'm really happy. I will be using this from now on, but I won't take this to the beach or anything because I'm scared of water damage, because I don't think this is waterproof, and what else, sand, scratching my screen. But yeah, I'm very OCD like that because I like my things all nice and tidy. So anyway, without further ado, let's unbox and review this bad boy. First of all, I like to say I have opened this before. I just put it back how it was when it first came, so I can show you roughly how it came in the post. So let's see the box itself. It's something very simple, like just a smartwatch, and this is the barcode I was telling you about. So if you're interested in buying one, this is a Chinese product, so it's considered a bootleg, I guess. So most Chinese products are, but overall I'm happy. So there it is in the wrapping that it came. I tried to put it back how it was. So let's take everything out of the box. So leave it like this because it keeps falling. Okay, got that done. Sorry, it kept falling down and it was annoying me. So what else that comes in the box? It also comes with this is the only bad thing about this product. This USB cable is pathetic, and it's supposed to charge your watch, but it's horrible. But like any other most phones, this is a mini USB, so a micro USB, one of those. And I use, as you can see, if I can reach it, sorry, there you go. I use my actual phone charger, and it still works. It's the same slot and everything, so it has a much better length. So yeah, I use that instead. But overall, that's probably the only bad thing about this product. And what else is in there? So there's the instruction manual. You can see, if I can get it out. Sorry. Yeah, that did it. So it has, as you can see, smartwatch user manual. Please read the manual before use, which I did, and it's in English and everything. So there's all those instructions, how to use it, set it up. But mostly I second guess what I was doing mostly, but when there's something I wasn't sure, I just usually guessed it. So, and this side is all in Chinese, so for all the Chinese buyers, there's also Chinese instructions. Put this in the side. So sorry about that, I hit the camera. So there's the actual watch. So let me take it out. So I put everything to the side. There you go. So I take it out of the plastic, and there it is. And as you can see, two things. One, this is the screen protector that came with it. So it comes with a screen protector from, to protect them from scratches. But I did a not very good job, and there's a lot of air bubbles. But eventually it'll go out from using it a lot, me swiping it. So Yeah, and another thing, I put a side-by-side comparison, but it looks exactly like an Apple Watch. It's quite funny, but I think this uses a very basic version of Android to run it, so it looks very Android, you know, the iOS, the operation system. So overall, yeah. So here's the back, and there's a little slot. I'm not sure if you can see it. If I focus, there it is. You just use your fingernail and take the lid off, and there it is. That's the back. There's a small battery for the watch, but this is actually the battery to charge the whole thing. So there's the model number. I'm pretty sure that's the name then, XYW9B lithium ion battery, so it's rechargeable. And there's a slot for a SIM card and a micro SD. Unfortunately, I do not have a spare SD cards because I'm using the one for this camera to record, and without the memory card I can't record. So I have one on my phone, but it's you'll see in a bit why it's such a pain to remove it. There's also a slot for a SIM card. SIM card lets you use other features like calling other people. But you need the same SIM card or a copy of the same SIM card you have in your phone, because you can pick up phone calls from your phone. So overall, let me just put this back where it was. So every time another bad thing is every time you take out the battery, it reset all your, what do you call it, settings back to normal. So where is it? There you go, this side. There you go. Click it. Click it into place. Then first thing, this is the charger. That's where it goes, the charger. Just plug it in and close it back up. Simple. And there's the dial. So if you long press it, you can see me. Hello. Hold it. It plays some very funny music. So yeah, there's the main menu. As you can see, is 00, like midnight, but you can change the settings. So then if you press once, you see the time, but if you press the screen, you can change the actual like look of the watch. I always leave it like that because it's easier. So or this one, I like this one. It looks classy, but I just kept it like this. So I'll leave it like that. So if you long press it, and it goes to the main menu. So there's so many features. So let's go to setting. There's profiles. I leave on general, of course, but there's other ones for outdoor, meeting, like a phone basically. There's the and the touchscreen is very accurate, by the way. There's time and day, language, I put it in English, display, you can change it to any wallpaper, flight mode, it usually is like always on flight mode, so I just change it back to normal. Make sure you do that. And there's the LCD, I left it in those settings. So sorry if it's not really focusing, it's probably because of the screen. There's the security settings, and you can change the password. It's like a phone basically. Call settings, and see, answer mode, so I just use any key to answer it. So there you go, done. And this is just factory reset basically. So basically you can make phone calls by pressing the green, but I don't have a SIM card, I can't do anything. So let's go to the main menu. So as you can see, there's a lot of features. There's the Bluetooth, that's how you answer call by connecting to your phone, but I'll show you in a second. There's a calculator. So if I go here, there's a calculator. There's a music player, but since I don't have an MP3 connected or an SD card, I can't listen to music. There's the multimedia, you can watch pictures or videos, but again, no memory card. There's a sound recorder, but you can't do it without a memory card. There's to see your missed calls, dial call, but as long as your phone is connected to this watch. And again, this is the same thing as before, you can call anyone. It even says over here, if you can read it, let me go back to it. It says insert SIM, which I don't have. So this took a while to figure out. I thought that was the whole features, but it isn't. There's more if you swipe to the right. So as you can see, you can take a picture. So let me show you. And there I am. Sorry if you can't see that, but you can take selfies with this. It's quite funny, but the quality is decent for what it is. But I'm sorry my camera's not really showing how good it is. So these two, you need a certain app. But to get the app, you need to go to this one. I'll show you in a minute. So there you go. There's the settings again. So just the same thing in the beginning. There's the I'm not sure what this one is. I'm pretty sure it's to jog. Yes, it counts how many steps you did while you're jogging, and there's the timer or an alarm or anything like that. And this is to search your things on your watch. There's another alarm. Oh, this is to set time to sleep, I guess. Yeah, there's an alarm. There's Facebook. The same Facebook, you need a SIM card to use it. There's the internet. There's WhatsApp as well. Again, same thing. There's the QR code. If you scan it with your phone, you can download the app, which I will show you in a bit. So overall, let's go back. And there's Twitter. This one is to run. Ah, okay. Yeah, that's the one. Sorry, my bad. So I'm not sure what this one is. You need a SIM card. It's probably photos or something like that. And there's messages, so you can write a message and inbox it. It's empty at the moment, so. And yeah, that's all the features. So guys, I'll be back in a minute and I'll get my phone ready and my friend's phone so he can give me a call. So see you in a second. Okay, I'm back. I got my phone ready. It's an Android. There's a brand, I'm not sure how to pronounce that, but Huawei. So Huawei P8 Lite 2017 edition. This has a fingerprint scanner, and I got a cover that covers the whole thing. So screen protector as well, so yeah, to protect it. Anyway, like I said, let's go back to the watch. So first thing you need to do to set it up is go to the settings, then go down, go to phone settings, and where is it? Nope, where is it? Oh, sorry, wrong one. So if you go to the Bluetooth setting, turn it back on, yes, switch it on, and visibility on, yes. Oh, sorry, yeah, there you go, it's on. So if I get my phone, there you go, cool Pokemon cover. So I go to Bluetooth. So I'll go here, and there's the name I gave, so Cookish Watch. So it's connecting, and pretty sure we'll connect in a minute. Oh, sorry. So there must be something wrong. So availability. So. There you go, connected. Sorry, it's probably because the phone was on standby. Okay, now they're both connected, as you can see. So I got my friend's phone, this not a very good phone, and let me call myself. So let me go to contacts, Cookish, and call. So if I call, so do you see Cookish? Just wait. So you can see. So if I do that, so it won't ring. Yes, I want to connect it, so it's synced. You can connect to your phone, there you go. In calling David, that's my friend's name, so I'll hang up. And yeah, overall, so now since I synced it, the time is correct. It's currently, let me focus, 3:20. So if I go like this, there you go. The watch is perfect. So let me show you the app. So if you scan the QR code, you can go here, okay, and voila. Now you can connect your phone like this. So let me go to long press, then go to menu, then if you go to camera, no, not camera, sorry, this one right here. Okay, disconnect, there you go. And it sees everything. So if I go to my room, so as you can see, it's looking around the room. There I am. Sorry, the frame rate is quite bad, but it gets the job done. So overall, I'm happy with this watch. It's a pretty basic watch. It's definitely going to use it. So also, there's a strap, so it's like a button. You click on to play it, and that's it. It will stay on your thing. But I'll show you in my final thoughts how it looks like. Overall, I'm really happy with this watch, and I think it only works with the Android phone. So overall, as long as you have your Bluetooth connected, it will work. And but I always leave it off while I'm indoors. So the battery lasts at least 2 hours if you keep using it. If you don't, it will last for ages. So if you could just put on standby like this, and it will last for ages. So overall, I'm really happy. Like I said, the only bad thing is a USB cable, but that will work with any micro or mini USB, whether it's, I'm pretty sure it's the micro one, yeah. I'm 100% sure it's a micro. I could be wrong, leave it in the comments below if I'm wrong. But overall, that's my overall review. I'm really happy with it. Thank you, Gearbest. I'll leave my written review, links below if you're interested in buying and reading my review. So overall, I'm really happy. So I'll leave you with my final thoughts. Well, that's it. I hope you enjoyed that video. As you can see, I had the watch here. I'm left-handed, so I put the watch in my right hand because I like to write and look at the watch like that. It's quite annoying, especially at work or something like that. Overall, I'm really happy. As you can see, it's all set up and nice and easy. So very happy with this watch. So let me just change the font of the watch. So as you can see, it's like that. Keep it like that. So another bad thing about this watch is it's a bit of a pain to put it on. So the strap is rubber and it has to click into place. It's quite annoying, keeps falling off, but if you have the patience, that's overall how it is. So yeah, like I said with the bubbles, so the air bubbles, it'll get rid of it. Also, another thing I forgot to tell you, there's a microphone there, so it will pick up the voice. It's very tiny, you probably can't see it through the video, but it's there. I thought I might as well mention to you guys. Like I said throughout the video, if you're interested in buying it, please check out in the link below if you're interested in buying this watch. And it's quite cheap, so if you want it, buy it before, because it was on a flash sale when I saw the link, when Gearbest sent it to me. So I thought, ooh, like if I do a review, people will buy it more, hopefully. So again, if you're interested in looking at more photos of this product, link below as well. Check out my name, Jose Basilio, that's the name I put there. So as usual, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!